Sup, back in you guys, I'm Fan Landon. Here's BNSF. Empty coal train right now. It's kind of bad angle here, I'm sorry, but it should be activating here in a minute. Possibly there's a good chance of here just one leading this. Not, it's rear DPU mode. Anywho, here he is right now. Once again, should be activating here any second. He's moving, man. Any minute now. There we go. Good night, Brenda. There's BNSF. Empty coal, moving now. There he is. Hope here's just one leading. Not oh well. Ace leading, that's pretty cool. You know, let's hope here just one is trailing for DPU mode. But he's going in. So you get a good long distance shot. Fortunately, it won't lead because of lead last time. Here's one lead loads in last time, so it'll be trailing where the BUF is on. I know for a fact we gotta be on it in a couple days. There. Moving now. Holy smokes. It's gotta be close. Guys, still in the wind yet? Wow, but he's gone. There's the end, and there it goes. Here's just one, and here's the two right side by side. Okay guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. I'm Fan Landon out.